In this video, you'll learn how to change the screen timeout on your Google Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will adjust the duration before your screen automatically turns off, enhancing your device's usability and battery life. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9a and locating the Settings app on your home screen. This app usually resembles a gear icon. Once you tap on it, scroll down the list of options until you find the entry labeled Display. Selecting this option will take you to a menu that contains various settings related to your screen. Within the display settings, look for the option titled Screen Timeout or Sleep. This setting determines how long your device will wait before turning off the display when not in use. Understanding the purpose of screen timeout is essential, as it helps to save battery life and prevents unintentional taps on the screen. Familiarize yourself with the available timeout durations displayed in this menu. Next, tap on the screen timeout option to view the list of available durations. You will see options ranging from 15 seconds to 30 minutes. Carefully consider which duration best suits your usage pattern. Shorter durations can help conserve battery but may turn off the screen too quickly for some users, while longer durations keep the display active for extended periods. After selecting your preferred timeout duration, review your choice to ensure it aligns with your daily habits. Adjusting this setting appropriately can significantly enhance your device's convenience and efficiency. Once satisfied with your selection, you can exit the Settings app. To confirm the changes, test the screen timeout by leaving your device idle for the duration you selected. Observe if the screen turns off as expected. You can always return to the settings to make further adjustments if needed. Your Pixel 9a is now configured to a screen timeout duration that matches your preference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.